Hey everyone, welcome to an exciting session. Making money online in 2023 with zero initial investment is a viable option for people of all ages. With the growing digital landscape and numerous opportunities, it is possible to generate income online without spending any money. Here are some ways you can achieve this. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills or services to a global audience. Whether you are good at writing, graphic design, web development, or data entry, these platforms can connect you with clients willing to pay for your work. 2. Online surveys and microtasks. Participating in online surveys and microtasks on websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Clickworker can earn you small amounts of money or gift cards. Though the pay is modest, consistency can yield tangible rewards. 3. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast on a topic you are passionate about. With engaging content and consistency, you can attract a substantial audience. Monetization options include ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 4. Sell handmade products. If you have crafting or artistic skills, you can sell your handmade products on platforms like Etsy or through social media channels like Instagram. 5. Online tutoring or teaching. Offer online tutoring or teaching services if you excel in a particular subject or language. Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, or Udemy allow you to reach a global audience. 6. Dropshipping. Create an online store and partner with suppliers to sell products without holding inventory. The supplier ships the products directly to customers when they make a purchase. 7. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies through affiliate links on your website or social media. Earn commissions for each sale made through your referral. 8. Social media management. Leverage your social media skills to offer management services to businesses or individuals looking to enhance their online presence. 9. Online marketplaces. Utilize platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Craigslist to sell used or new items that you no longer need. 10. Remote customer service. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives to handle inquiries and support through phone, chat, or email. Remember, success in online money-making often requires dedication and time. Building an online presence and attracting an audience takes effort, but with patience and perseverance, you can start earning money without any initial investment. Always be cautious of potential scams and research any platform or opportunity thoroughly before getting involved. Before you go, please subscribe this channel.